Good evening, everyone. What's up? Just ate a satisfying meal and topped it off with a measly dessert. This is Mr. Hata speaking. Previously on the 250th review, there was a review on soft mint candy. Today's the 251st review, and today's review is on the Nature Valley Protein Chewy Bar, peanut, almond, and dark chocolate flavored with 10 grams of protein, 190 calories per bar. There are 1.42 ounces, 40 grams in each bar. Alright, there's 110 calories from fat, 12 grams of fat, 19%, 3.5 grams of saturated fat, 18%, 2 grams of polyunsaturated fat, 6 grams of monounsaturated fat, 80 milligrams of sodium, 7%, 14 grams of carbs, 5%, 5 grams of fiber, 20%, 6 grams of sugar, 10 grams of protein, 15%, 4% calcium, 8% iron. Ingredients are listed right here. The ingredients are roasted peanuts, almond, soy protein, isolate, chicory root extract, sugar, corn syrup, vegetable oils, palm kernel, palm canola, roasted sunflower seeds, seasoned sunflower oil, toasted coconut, whey protein, concentrate, fructose, cocoa, vegetable glycerin, rice starch, cornstarch, salt, soy lecithin, dextrose, natural flavor, and baking soda. So here's what this looks like. It is a beautiful base of dark chocolate and a large topping of this sweet nut concoction. It smells very sweet and syrupy. It's not very sticky, but still there has to be a lot of sugary syrup on this. It almost smells like caramel. It almost smells like a caramel nut treat with dark chocolate at the bottom. As one can see, there are sunflower seeds, almonds, and peanuts. So let's give this a taste, shall we? One wants a better view. Smells very addictive, very appealing. Wow. A blast of sweetness, nuts, and chocolate into one bar. This tastes like a chocolate bar. Overall, these are very addictive, probably not healthy, and they get a 10 out of 10 because they taste like chocolate bars. It tastes like a chocolate bar that's been filled with caramel and nuts. Nice chalky taste. So there it is. Nice peanut flavor. Overall, this makes a great treat after working out, after a long run, or a long bike ride. Good night. See you on the 252nd review. Sorry for messing that up. Good night.